So that's some of the harvest. This is what's up guys. So today I'm harvesting some potatoes back here, and then I'm gonna be harvesting the last of my tomatoes so I can leave them inside to get ripen up a bit. I have a bunch over here. But yeah, I'm gonna be working in the back here today, just harvesting potatoes and tomatoes. But if you enjoy this type of content, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna get into the harvesting. So, start picking some of these tomatoes. Like I said, I'm just gonna leave them on the windowsill to get ripe. So going to get the ones in the front. This is Alvina. Alright, back to what I was doing. Not bad. No, and I've had multiple harvests. Like I said, I'm just... Okay, so I'm gonna start on this end to start digging up the potatoes and see if they're ready yet. Okay, we got one here. That's one. Oh yeah, some nice ones. So I say that's a nice little yield coming along so far. And I feel a few. That's another nice one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna put some of this soil on the side here. Oh, there's another one. And we have some hiders in there. But if you enjoy this type of content, remember to drop a like, share, and subscribe. But yeah, this is just one little patch so far. This is what I got so far. That's it. And this is from just this little patch right here. I'm gonna still keep on going back in this direction. So I cleared out here so far. This is my yield so far here. And I'm slowly working my way going back here. So I'll get back into the harvesting. Let's see. There's a couple in here. One, two, a couple from just this one spot. It's a nice one. Size of my smaller than my hand. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I think one of them were starting to go bad under there. And this is just from one little patch in the backyard that I wanted to test out to see how it would grow. But yeah, I know there's still a bunch probably under there, so I'm gonna keep on working away. Here's Miss Alvina down there. Let's get back at it. Think that might be it. So that's the yield. I harvested a few more tomatoes and some potatoes. I just had one patch growing, but I'd say I got a decent amount and still got a bunch more stuff to harvest. But once again, if you enjoy these type of content, remember to drop a like. So that's some of the harvests. This is blueberry that's frozen, green onions, some of my tomatoes. I got peppers right there, onions, garlic, a whole bunch of stuff going on. And I still got a bunch more stuff outside to harvest.